What's up, guys? Good morning and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Swaggy, and today it's a mommy and son day. Me and Danielle, we are alone and the location is amazing. I will show you where we are. So we're gonna spend day, me and Danielle. Yeah, we're gonna par all morning, mommy and son. Okay, so let's see. I just wanted to share with you guys honestly our day, how we'll spend it, because I really love the place. Okay, yeah, so we just woke up and I'm making porridge for Daniel because Daniel doesn't want to eat nothing at the buffet, so I have to feed him his food I used to, and then we're going to the buffet. Okay, yeah. Good morning, Daniel. Good morning, Daniel. You know that today you and me, we are going to, conquer this location together, mommy and son.
Swimming pool.
Yeah, I'm gonna take you to the swimming pool. Yeah, so today we are like that. Yes, guys, look at the view. We're staying at Joel Grande Resort and Spa. I can't open the door. Okay. Yeah, this is our location. It's very high, as you see, guys, very high. I don't remember the floor. I think 7. Yeah. So let me show you our balcony. Yeah, guys, and this is the view from our apartment. Oh, first of all, I am making porridge. Okay, mommy duty never stops, even when we are on vacation. So I need to, mix the porridge and stuff. Oh, they have a nice program. They have a spa. Okay. They have the spa. I have to pay for the spa. Okay. Oh, you pay for any 4 procedures like $275. Okay, nice and expensive. Yes, so they have a program. So now it's early morning, so abs workout just gone. Guys, I woke up and I saw one lady exercising and she was doing abs, and only she alone. I was like thinking, wait, who is that good Samaritan that takes care of the body? And then I saw the program. I said, okay, that's just maybe coach, hit the abs. Yes, hit the abs. But I had no power yesterday because we went sleep very late. Yeah, we went to see the concert. It was nice. People were dancing, and then I took a night bath. Nice bath and night bath too. That was nice too. I was watching TV, laying in my bath. A life I would love to live. Yeah, I'm telling you guys, this vacation will spoil me. That's why sometimes I don't like to go on those fancy vacations, because it's so hard to go back to the normal life. Yeah, so hard to go back to the reality. It spoils a lot. That's not normal enough. I'll leave that life. Hey guys, and you must be wondering, where is Lionel and where's Errol? Yeah, they are here on the complex also, but they are on a mission. Leo got a modeling job, so he is working and we are relaxing. Yeah, so Leo is modeling. Okay, Leo is modeling for an ad. So that's why we are here. We are here for Leo, and yeah, he has a little job. And by the way, first job ever. Can't believe my son, he is 6 years old, but he already started making money. Oh my god. Yeah. And we are here with Daniel. We are cheering for Leo. Yeah, go Leo, go Leo. And aka enjoying. Yeah. We team support. Call us team support. We're supporting. We're there with him, even though we are not really. Yeah, we are in a buffet, chilling. Alright, so final check. Did a little makeup to look better, to look presentable. Okay, yeah, let's go. Let's go. Danny is waiting on me. Danny is ready. Okay. Okay, going. Danny.
Cheese.
Look guys, what a nice view. Morning view. Just need a cup of coffee and it will be completed. Yeah. Yes guys, we actually live on 7th floor. I was right. Yeah. No, don't press nothing. Press. Oh god, what's a press? Ground. Okay, hope it's ground floor. Okay. Oh, they have cameras here and they see me doing the dirt. Alright, thanks. Yeah. Give me a hand, Denny. So we're gonna walk to the buffet.
Yeah.
Yeah, because restaurants, they only work in the evening. So in the morning, lunchtime, it's buffet. Yeah. I just love the place. Yeah, we're staying at Silver Palm. Silver Palm. I just love the place. So, by the way, guys, it's Montego Bay, Jamaica. Yeah, 2021. You know, guys, I am glad that I am spending more time with Danielle. Morning. Because I feel like we kind of lost the connection when I went back to Russia with only Leo. I feel like Daniel kind of, I kind of broke his heart a little, I kind of feel like the connection is not as strong like it used to be. But I'm glad for this week that we can spend it actually with Daniel, me and Danny. Yeah, so hope we will be closer, because now he is such a daddy's boy. In the morning he woke up, he said, first, where's daddy? Yeah, so hope he can be a mama's boy again, because before he used to be like mommy. Yeah, the place is really nice. I mean, even the staff is so friendly. I feel nice. Huh? No, start the video. Oh god, he's so giant lollipop. No, not now, Daniel. We're gonna come back later. So yeah, we're just going to have breakfast. Guys, this is breakfast. Wow, I like. Danny, what do you want? You want something? Hello. You want cereal? Alright, can you give him fruit and loops, please? Alright, Danny, here you go. Thanks a lot. Hi. Yeah. Nice. Nice to meet you, Vanessa. 702.
Last name?
Stevens.
Okay.
Yeah.
From a detective, Lawrence.
Where? Sorry? Alright, thanks. Yes, wait, Danny. So they have breads, whatever, and pastries. Nice. I can order some stuff. I guess here can order omelette. Okay, that's nice. Sausage, bacon. Yeah. So guys, because of COVID, you cannot touch yourself, nothing. So the lady assists everybody. So you kinda need to wait on her. So she to give, she to give you stuff. And I want some pastries. This one?
This one?
Yeah.
How many pieces?
One, please. All right. And one chocolate croissant, please. All right, thanks. Daniel just enjoying his cornflakes. Like I told you guys, he's so picky. So, yeah. Go on, enjoy your cornflakes. So guys, look, are we going to really eat all of it? Are we gonna finish it? But table looks nice and lit though. Feast, Danny, feast. And that's only what you eat. That is the only thing you choose. Out of all of it, this. I wanted to show you how I eat, because it's like a week since I installed my braces, so it's hard still to chew for me. So I pick up little pieces and like I suck it. I don't really chew it. It's hard for me to chew still. But my teeth, they are very sensitive, and that's why I'm kind of having those issues, because back in the days I did a zoom whitening on my teeth, so since then they became very sensitive. Thank you. Yeah, so everything like comes like pain to me, So yeah guys, if you want healthy teeth and less sensitivity, do not do whitening, because even if your teeth are a little bit yellow, it's okay. Healthy teeth, better than white teeth, And now I'm going through like hell with my sensitivity because I just spoil it with the zoom whitening. So I have to, can't chew. I have to suck every piece of food, every little piece like that. Alright guys, so we finished. So now I need just to find toilet because I need to, I need to take care of my braces. Yeah, I always have some, like, I need to travel with brush, but I forgot it. I mean, right now I don't have it in my bag, but I have one spray here, so I have to, clean my mouth. So yeah guys, this is the struggle of having braces. You always have to take care of your mouth every time after you eat. Here, so that's what I'm gonna do now. Daniel. That's what he says. Right, you see guys? Now we're just gonna have a little walk because Danny wants to show me something. Okay. And then I'll go brush my teeth, my braces. Alright. What did you find? Oh gosh. No, don't touch it, Danny. No. You want to go to the souvenir store? This is a souvenir store. So let's check it out. Oh my god, I love heads. Danny. Hi. Yes, Daniel.
Boys, some food.
Alright. When we come back home, I'm gonna take you to the Chinaman store, yeah? And you can buy the same thing.
How about?
Because here,
How about?
prices are kind of ridiculous. But it's a resort, you have to understand. $24 for this truck.
But how about this?
How about to leave the place?
This is so heavy.
So heavy, yeah, it's nice, but man.
Now I want
I like this one.
Now I want to take the.
Oh, I found the same dress here. So, yeah, dress that everybody loved. One vlog I was rocking it, but I got old, so yours here, you know, guys, it's here. How much for it now, though? How much for it? So, $26 for the same dress that I was rocking here. Now, look, guys, what I found. I need to buy like to rock in the house.
Yeah, look at this. Look at this. It goes.
Jamaican underwear. Baggies. Man baggies. Yes, guys. Got the hat. Found the hat though.
What the heck?
$35 for the hat. Okay, we came back to the room. So look at Danielle, like living real boss life, you know. You're a boss?
I'm gonna watch some TV time.
Ready to watch TV.
Yeah. I'm gonna drink
Eat, sleep, repeat.
some more.
Eat, sleep, repeat mode. Okay. I'll see you. Yes, so it's time to go to the swimming pool. And that's me. That's me. Yeah, I know I lost a lot of weight eating pure food because I cannot really eat good food. But now I can, barely, but I can. But I know, yeah, my little stretch marks. So the swimsuit is so perfect because it actually covers it. You know, in person, I am ashamed of my strength. I'm not ashamed, but I don't like to show it, okay? You know, like people say, you have to be proud that you have stretch marks. You have to be proud that your mother, you know. I'm proud, but I just don't like to show it, you know, to the world. Yeah, so going to the swimming pool. Alright. Wow, so windy. Yeah. So we're gonna grab a drink. Well, they also serve something down there in terms of food. Come grab something. Nice dancehall music at play. Nice. So I don't know what I will eat, drink. Let me think. Come on. So I'm getting one pina colada. Right. Yours? You sure? Alright. Strawberry daiquiri?
Yeah.
Living a boss lifestyle. Tasty? Yeah? Yeah? Alright. Yes, Daniel. See, this is a jacuzzi. This is a jacuzzi. Here, so Daniel, you going with me in a jacuzzi? Alright. Hey guys, straight down there, may I go? Grab you.
No, I don't grab you. Oh, watch me.
Смотри, да, смотрю. Oh, молодец. So Daniel finally decided to go on the playground. This is empty also, no kids, no other kids. Guys, we're gonna check out the beach, the sea, Caribbean Sea. Come, Daniel. Alright. Lenny, come here. Come. Let's check out. Okay, so I'm with Russian people on the beach. So I'm gonna try. How it is? How does it feel? Amazing? Feels much warmer than the pool. Just afraid to step on something because it's possible to step on sea creatures here. I feel something with my toe. Let me see what's that. It's a stone. Yeah, so couples from Russian speaking couple enjoying. They're from Chicago, America, but they're originally from Moldova. Yeah, my neighbors, Russian speaking people, they like Jamaica here. They said Jamaican nature is something else, and the guy said he traveled to Mexico, Cancun, but nothing can compare to Caribbean nature. Okay, Jamaica is amazing. Man said Jamaica is something else. Different level, beautiful nature, paradise, which I agree with him. Yeah, definitely. So guys, finally met Errol and my star boy Leo. Okay, so we're like family, I guess. Family lunch. Leo, what's up, Leo? What's up, Leo? Alright guys, so like I told you before, now I have feast. I'm having a feast, okay? Here, so just some escovitch, fruits, kiwi. You're from Jamaica if you take a lot of kiwi. On the resort, when you go on the resort, if you take a lot of kiwi, you're from Jamaica. Here, some ham. Okay guys, so we finished lunch. And we decided to come to support Errol and Leo because Errol looks well bored, tired. You tired? Yeah, tired. Him look tired. Yes, and Leo on break. Yeah. How's it, Errol? Oh, Leo. How's it, Leo? So good. Okay, good job. Huh?
They said
Born fit.
he was born for it.
Oh my god. Oh my god. So this is the end of my vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share. Don't forget the bell button. And bye bye. See you guys next time.